Can't already tell, we're back in Utah. We flew in a few days ago. Yesterday we moved into my new apartment, and tomorrow classes start. So today we're kind of just roaming around, getting some nice footage of the stadium and my new apartment, which I love. It's super cool. I have my own room this year. And yeah, it's gonna be a sweet year. A lot of skiing in like November, December, and probably get a lot of hiking done before then. Really excited for all this. Also, football season starts in 2 weeks, so then I'll be able to watch the Utes, and I think they're gonna do really good this year. They're predicted at number 7 right now in the nation, and I think they'll get up higher than that. Super exciting. First week, it's an away game in Florida, so I won't be able to watch that one live, but the second game in 3 weeks is here in Rice Eccles. Alright, that's it for today. Just a quick little video to do a little room tour and to show you around the neighborhood a little bit where I'm living. Really excited for this year of college. I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Peace out. Sunsets here in Utah are really sweet because of the way it just lights up the sky and kind of illuminates the entire city, and everything just looks bright and orange. So cool.